Welcome to my Ninja Foodi Power Blender Ultimate System Review. With its powerful 1,400 peak watt motor, the Ninja SS351 can tackle any kitchen task you throw at it. You'll love that this machine doesn't bog down, no matter how heavy your ingredients are, thanks to its smartTORQUE technology. The blender functionality is impressive. This system allows you to blend, chop, and even mix dough. Whether you're into smoothies, spreads, or dough, this blender has you covered with 6 preset Auto IQ programs. The Auto IQ technology adjusts the blending and pulsing patterns smartly, making your kitchen tasks more intuitive. The 72-ounce pitcher is versatile and provides sufficient capacity for family-sized servings, while the nutrient extraction cup is perfect for individual smoothies. The built-in tamper ensures that your smoothie bowls come out thick and consistent, even with minimal liquid. If you need to mix dough in a hurry, this system can handle it in just 30 seconds. For those who value convenience and power, the Ninja SS351 is a capable addition to any kitchen. The advanced smartTORQUE feature in the Ninja Foodi Power Blender and processor really packs a punch. The 1,400 peak watt power dense motor ensures it can handle heavy loads without stalling. That means you'll be able to blend, chop, mix, and crush with unbeatable ease. You'll appreciate not having to stir or shake your ingredients mid-process. This tech keeps everything moving smoothly, ensuring a consistent texture for your smoothies, dough, or spreads. It's particularly great for thicker mixtures that usually put a strain on less powerful blenders. You can experience hassle-free blending with Auto IQ programs. These 6 preset programs are designed for smoothies, extractions, bowls, spreads, chopping, and dough. Just one touch and the machine takes care of the rest. Imagine making a smoothie without having to guess the right speed or duration. Auto IQ programs use intelligent patterns of pulsing, blending, and pausing, tailored to the task at hand. This means consistent results every time with minimal effort. Though versatile and convenient, some users mention that the pre-programmed settings might not suit everyone's needs perfectly. If you're someone who likes to have full control, you might find this feature less appealing. One of the standout features of the Ninja Foodi Power Blender is its variable speed control. This function allows you to precisely adjust the speed to suit different ingredients and recipes. If you're working on something delicate like a smoothie, you can start at a low speed and gradually increase it to avoid splashing. For tougher tasks, such as crushing ice or making dough, the higher speeds provide the necessary power. This flexibility means you can achieve a variety of textures and consistencies, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen. Instead of relying on preset options, you get to control the pace and ensure the best results for every use. Additionally, this control is simple to manipulate, so you won't find yourself fumbling with complicated settings mid-prep. This feature offers a customized blending experience that can cater to all your culinary needs. And if you're serious about health and wellness, you'll appreciate the nutrient extraction cup feature. This component ensures your smoothies and drinks retain essential vitamins and nutrients from fruits and vegetables. The powerful 1,400 peak watt motor works efficiently to break down ingredients for ultra smooth results, making your drinks both nutritious and delicious. Technology helps in handling tough, fibrous ingredients without stalling. This means you spend less time manually stirring or shaking, letting the blender do the hard work for you. Whether it's leafy greens or frozen berries, you can expect consistent, high-quality extractions every time. The Smoothie Bowl Maker is designed to craft thick and creamy smoothie bowls with ease. Featuring a powerful 1,400 peak watt motor, it cuts through frozen fruits and tough ingredients effortlessly, ensuring a smooth consistency without the need for excessive liquid. On the downside, this device can be quite loud, which might be a concern during early morning or late night use. Nevertheless, its ability to create perfect smoothie bowls and more makes it a compelling choice for health enthusiasts. Now let's look at the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, The Ninja SS351 Foodi Power Blender shines in versatility with its powerful 1,400 peak watt motor and smartTORQUE technology. You get a multitasking marvel that handles crushing, food processing, smoothie bowls, and dough mixing effortlessly. No need to worry about it stalling or requiring constant stirring. Those preset Auto IQ programs make blending tasks a breeze. You can create smoothies, extractions, bowls, spreads, chopping tasks, and dough at the touch of a button. Plus, the variable speed control lets you start slow and ramp up, giving you precision in your culinary adventures. As for the cons, while the capabilities are impressive, the noise level is quite high. This might be a consideration if you live in a noise-sensitive environment. Another point to keep in mind is the lack of a dedicated food processor attachment, which may limit some specific food processing tasks. Additionally, some users have reported issues with blade sharpness, and care is needed to avoid accidental cuts. As the various Ninja Foodi Power Blender reviews will tell you, many customers love the power and versatility of the Ninja SS351. They appreciate its ability to blend consistently and evenly, but note that it can be quite loud. Some users miss having a dedicated food processor attachment. The Blend and Go cups are a hit, making daily routines faster. Despite some noise, most agree that the performance justifies it, especially for tough ingredients like frozen fruits. At a peak power of 1,400 watts, you're looking at a powerhouse that's perfect for everything from smoothies to dough. The 72-ounce pitcher means you can whip up large batches without breaking a sweat. The smartTORQUE technology ensures that the motor remains powerful even under heavy load, which is ideal for tougher items. The package includes multiple attachments like dough and chopping blades, making it a multifunctional tool in your kitchen. With 11 speed settings, you have precise control over your blends. Plus, it's heavy duty and comes with detachable parts, making it easy to clean and store. Finally, the stainless steel blades ensure durability and efficient performance. The Ninja SS351 Foodi Power Blender and Processor System offers a range of features that will make your kitchen tasks easier and more efficient. With its powerful 1,400 peak watt motor, it handles everything from smoothies to dough with ease. Its different functions mean you can blend, mix, and process with one appliance, saving space and time. Sure, it's a bit loud, but the blender delivers consistent, even blends, making it a great addition to just about any kitchen. Thanks for watching my Ninja SS351 review. Hopefully, it helped you understand this blender a bit better.